All right, guys. So another add-on to my son-in-law's system here. He's got the Soundstream Tarantula TXP 1.3500. We put the 4-gauge wire in. We got 100 amp fuses, and we just did the battery install. He's got a 1200 watt energy battery, and we're hoping for some high hopes here. We're gonna do a dB test in a minute and see if we can try to hit that 140 mark, or at least get a little bit better than what we had last time. I think we were like 139, 139.5, yeah, something like that. So we'll be right back. Everything's 4-gauge all the way around from the front to the back. Grounded right here. The battery has its own ground, and the amplifier has its own ground. And it's running the HST and the HCY 12-inch, and he has them both inside this box. They're both wired to 1 ohm in parallel together, actually at a 0.5 ohm. And I know everybody's saying don't run a 0.5 ohm on it, and he's been cranking full tilt for about 2 weeks now, at least over a week, and 0 issues. I don't even think the amplifier heats up. So I don't know, guys. It's running fine at wired at a 0.5 ohm. So we'll be right back. We're gonna get in the car and we're gonna do a dB test. We'll be right back. Guys, so welcome back. We're gonna do the dB test now in the car. He's got the trunk open there. We got the extra battery installed, 4-gauge wire installed. There we go, we're hitting 22 already. And it's not even doing bass. 26, and we're not even hitting any bass yet. Man, up. 29, 31. Oh my God. Time to test the good one, because that's the one that we hit. All right, guys, so we just did a little bit of tuning on the amplifier. We brought down the bass boost a little teeny bit. We tuned the low pass a little bit. Oh, there's 36 right off the bat. Where are we at on the 36. All right. 35. See what happens. 35. 39. Yep. It's more consistent in the 30s. Yeah. A lot more consistent in the 30s. Yeah, it's hitting 35 almost every time. 34, 35 every time. 38. That's not bad. All right. All right. So we got the amp tuned out. He can actually turn it up a little bit now. Turn it up a little bit louder than it was before. Oh yeah. He got replacement door speakers. I got the Bio 5x7s from CT Sounds. They're already here. I just have to wait for the factory connectors. Yep, we're waiting for he's waiting for the factory connectors, and once he gets those, we'll have that as video for the next install portion. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace. There's my son outside the car playing with the snow.